Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the Sudoku solver project using Python. So first user have to register with the username, email and password. After entering all the details, then click on the register button. Then it will open the home page where user can select the start camera. Then laptop front camera will open. They can also select the select image option. Now laptop front camera will open. User have to show the Sudoku and then click on capture button. So the model will capture and solve the captcha. It will takes time to solve that particular captcha. Now you can see it solves and just click on next button. It shows the images which user have give the input. They can also click on previous button and let's click on exit button. Let's select any other image. User can upload any image or it also work a real-time laptop front camera. So the model will load and it will solve the captcha. Let's click on the previous button. We have given that captcha and they solved it. Let's click on next button. Again select any other image. Select from that particular folder. Model will solving that captcha and then it shows the output image. Okay, let's click on the next button. They can check the next images or the previous images. This is the complete project. This project developed using Python programming language and Techie used to develop the graphical user interface. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.